Good evening, guys.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, is there any doubt in the last session in the repeat? Yes. First, tell me, have you gone through that all the comments, whatever I have covered? Yes. And you people didn't say show me the plan. I have told you in the first class only, right? Just send me the simple plan by using the wall, applying the plaster, how to place a door. Yes. All are have the software, right? Yes. Let's wait for 2 minutes, guys. Okay. Let them all join. Just set my image. Yes, is there any doubt? Have you gone through all the commands? I'm not getting a single reply. Just feel free. Yes. Abhijit, Satyam, have you practiced the last session? Swapnali, Amol, and Yugandhara. Yes. Practice date? No. Why? What is the reason? Yes, Abhijit, what is the reason? Why but why? You just take half an hour, right, to practice? It's a very interesting software, guys. Just practice it. Are you able to see my screen desktop? See, this project I have done in the Revit only. Are you able to see? Busy scheduled. Okay. I'll just share my screen. Revit. Okay. Is there any doubt at least? In the wall, 3 types of wall we have seen. I have finished the door, how to place the door, how to edit it as a D, D1, D2. Okay? Okay, shall I continue? Okay. Okay, in the last session, we have gone through the wall and wall types. Okay, how it practically works. Okay, and how to place the door. Okay, so now I don't want to edit my door because it will take too much time. You just take it as it is. Just close it and decide your height. Take which shape you want and just draw like this. Okay, yeah. Close it, cancel it. Okay. So if you want to place a door, then go for the door. Have you downloaded the blocks, libraries? I have given you the site, right? revitcity.com, revitfam.com, Revit import. Okay, you just try that site. Okay. Now I move on to the window here. So if you want to place the window, so either you can go for the curtain wall, customize it and give the offset, height offset and all, and that is also good. Okay. If you have a less time, then go for the window. Okay, this one is good. Click on the window, follow the same process to place. Click on the load family. Okay, here my folder is there, window folder is there. Okay, window folder. Okay, double click on that and check which you want to place. Okay, by using the arrow, vertical arrow and all, just placing it. Okay, see. So this one is good for me. Open it. Means load it into your project. It's loading. Just have a patience, guys. Okay, yeah. After loading, you can able to see in the property bar. Okay, so just go to the edit type and duplicate it and say as W. If you want to mention your dimension, then you can give the dimension also, so that it will help in the estimation portion. 1.2 and 1.2 or 1.1. Okay, as per the requirement. Okay, and change your height and width. Okay, change my height is 1.2 and my width is, no, I just keep my height as a 1 and my width as a 1.2. Okay, just say it okay and place. Okay, so after taking the window, it is not possible to keep anywhere on the screen. You should have a wall. Okay, just have a wall and place where you want to place it. See, here also we can able to see the distance also. Just place it where you want to place. Just place it like this. See, so here also we can, option is there, that is frame inner or outside. You just move it like this. Okay, just move it. Right click it, cancel it, right click it, cancel it. Just select on the window and decide your distance. Okay, how much distance you want, 3 meter. Okay, you just select that. Go to the view, go to the 3D and make it as a realistic view. Go here, realistic. So there is no need of giving the base offset and adjusting it and cutting it. Okay, it will cut automatically. This is the main advantage of by using the window. Screen is not visible. It's visible, guys. Just wait. Now, is it okay, Abhijit? Faced the problem while setting the window post on group. No, I'm not getting you, Amul. Yes, I face a problem while setting the window post and group.
Hello?
Yes, Amul, I'm not getting your doubt.
Yes, yesterday while practicing, I faced the problem while setting the window. The message pop up.
What pop-up it is?
Just 1 second.
Yeah.
I had posted in group, our WhatsApp group actually.
Yeah, I am not in that group actually. Can you share
Okay.
the
Yeah.
screen, or just read me what pop-up is?
Just 1 second. Can't cut instance of a 41 inches by 53 inches out of wall.
Yes, pardon me once again.
Can't cut instance of a 41 inches into 53 by 53 inch out of wall, like that.
Out of wall means make sure your wall means your window size is within the wall only. For example, my wall width is how much it is 5.3 and the window size is lesser than this width, right? Just make draw a one wall by 1 meter, 2 meter, and take a window or door and give the distance lesser than the wall. You should not exceed the wall width. Just try it. If not, then you can share the screen also. I'll just see that. I will give 1 minute or 2 minutes. You just try it. Yes. Yes. Your voice is not clear. Amul. Yes. No, it's not clear. Yes, Amul.
Hello.
Yes. Are you trying? Just wait, guys. Actually, he has a problem. Yes. Window post and group we share in the end of the session. Okay, end of the session. Okay. Shall I continue? Okay. So, see, guys, one more important is if you click on the door, if you want to place the window, then it is not possible. Okay. You just go on to the same category. You just click on the door. You should have placed the door only, not window. Okay. You just load it first. Or else if sometimes it not, then just make sure right click cancel, okay. You just do this process some 4 or 5 times and then go on to the door, okay, and load it by particular folder where you want to save. Select it, just say open, don't do any changes, say okay, and after loading you can able to see in the property bar, then edit it, okay, and make sure you have a proper unit or not. Okay. Yeah. So are you getting my window? How to place a window? Just click on the window, load it from my folder, edit it. Okay, as a W is equal to 1.2 or 1.5. If you want to edit it, then go for edit, duplicate it. So now my window is W1. So I just want it as a 1 meter by 1 meter. Okay. And 1 meter and 1 meter. Okay. And place where you want to place it. And just say escape or cancel, right click, cancel, view and 3D. See, if you want to decide your seal height and all, if you want to make it as a flip, then go to the plan. I'm just telling you how it works. Just select on the window and click on the arrow. Go to the view. Here you can able to see this type of frame. Okay, whether you want in inner side or outer side, okay, it's all left to you guys. Okay, getting it how it works. See, my frame width is inner side and my frame width is outer side. Just go to the plan and click on the arrow. If you want to decide your seal height, then click on this window and give the seal height like this, 1 meter, 1.2 meter. Not it's 1.2 meter, it's 1 meter. Okay. You have to keep the 0.9 distance from the top. It's compulsory because we are in the future we are providing a beam here, right? Okay. So is there any doubt in the window placing? Yes, all of you. Is there any doubt how to place the door and window? If you want to edit it as a, if you want to change your material of the window, you just select the window like this and go to the edit. If you have an option that is material, see, so material option is there, that is porch. Just select on that and do the same process what we have did for the wall. Just create your material and go to the asset browser. In that, go to the metal category, select the aluminium and all and say OK for that. Okay. So now we have an option that is component. Okay. So in component there are mainly two types, that is a place a component and model in a place. Okay. Model in a place is a very important factor that I will tell you in the later classes. This is used only for the designing purpose. Okay. I will tell you that in the later. If you want to place any other libraries except door and window, okay, for door they have given the separate option, and for window also they have given the separate option, okay. Except this door and window, if you want to place the furnitures like bed, cot, sofa, plants, whatever it may be, okay, then go for the place a component. But before going to place my components or furniture, I want to draw my floor, right? So there is no floor in my plan. See, there is no floor. Okay, so now I am going to draw a floor here. I'll just take wall one other room. I'll just draw one another room here. Just track it like this. For example, this is my bath. This is not a proper way to draw a plan. It is a rough. Okay. So after covering all the comments, I will go to the exact plan. Okay. For example, this is my something hall and all. Okay. I want to draw a floor for this. Okay. Go to the make sure you are in the floor plan. First point. Then click on the architecture. Floor option is there. Go to the arrow mark. Click on the 4 architecture. Okay, here also in the properties bar you can able to see number of layers. Okay, same rule is there. Go to the single layer floor. Okay, select any layer, go to the edit, duplicate it and rename it as a floor. Okay, and then edit it and give the thickness. Tell me guys, what is the thickness of the floor? Yes, what is the thickness of the floor? If you know in feet inches, then no problem. It should be 0.15 meter, means 6 inch. Some people will refer 4 inch, but personally I will just moving for 0.15 meter. Okay. So in meter it is 0.15 meter and in inches it is 6 inch. Just click on the material, click on the new material, right click it, rename it as a floor. Go to the asset browser. We all know this process. Go to the appearance. Yeah, you have to you just add a floor finishing. You just add one more layer and give the thickness as 0.05 and give the floor finish material. Okay. Now I am just concentrating on the floor only. Okay. Go to the floor option here. You have to select particular category for the particular command. Okay. If you are moving for the roof, then select on the roof. Okay. If you are wall, then you can go to the masonry. Okay, if you are moving for the glass, then go for the glass. It is the same simple concept. Go to the flooring. Here also carpet is there. I don't want to use the carpet directly. Stone is also there, but I don't want to use the stone. Tile option is there. Vinyl option is there, and wood option is also there. I will just select a wood here. So residentially it is not good. It will just use for the hotel purpose. I will just show you how it works. Apply and okay. Or else you can go to the tile also. Okay. Okay. So after taking, you just able to see this type of the just like wall. Okay. So my shape of the plan is rectangular, but I want to give a separate for my floor for my WC or toilet or washroom. Okay. I don't want to cover that portion now. Okay. Just either you can go to the rectangle and draw it like this separate. You just draw it like this. Okay, better you just go for the line option, guys. Okay, you just go for the line option, click any one corner point and just draw it. So before that, before going to the floor, you have to place your door compulsory. Okay, I will just tell you once again, or else you can draw it. I'll just tell you after that. For example, this is my room. Okay, close it. Okay, and then say close. You have to close. Okay, this is a compulsory. Go to the view and click on the 3D. See, are you able to see my floor? Okay, so before applying the floor, I just delete this window. Okay, take a door. I'm not going to edit it. I'm just placing it like this and like this. Okay, so this is my door. Now I will move for the floor. I have edited it already. Okay, just take a line. Make sure so that you will get this portion. You have to cover this portion with the floor only. Okay, that's why place your door before the floor. Select it, zoom it like this. I don't want to cover this portion now because I want to use different floor for that, my WC. Zoom it, click on the endpoint, click it, cover it, cover it, cover it. Okay, see, just done a mistake here. Make it a Control Z, Control Z. Zoom it, click it like this, click it. Intentionally, I am doing the mistake because to know the exact problem. See, if I say close, I will get a message. See, just close it. So what it is saying, lines cannot intersect each other, right? Here see, the lines are intersecting. I have to make it a close. Then say continue and use the fillet option for that. We just want to fillet it. Take a fillet. Just select which portion you want. Okay. Select this and this. Getting? And then say close. Some people will just go to the view. After clicking this, go to the view and this. Then you are not able to see your plan, guys. Okay. This is very important. You just say right mark for that. Finish edit mode. You have to come out from that edit mode. Getting how it works? See, here also you can able to see this. Any doubt in the floor? Go to the floor plan. Take a floor, edit it as like a ball. Okay. After taking that, you are able to see this type of the shape. Select your shape depending on your plan and draw it. And then say close. Is there any problem? Sorry, is there any doubt? Amul said no. Means are you getting or not? Or you said no for doubts? No doubt. Okay. So now I want to place a door for washroom. Okay. Go to the wall floor. Okay. Just edit it, duplicate it, and now I am saying it as a bath floor. Okay. Edit it. Give the thickness how much you want. Create new one. Rename it bath floor. See guys, I don't want to go to the asset browser. Here I'm not getting a proper tile for the bath. If I'm not getting the proper tile for the bath, then I don't want to go for the asset browser. I just created a one new material here. There is no material for my bath wall. Okay. I want to apply the material I have saved in earlier. Okay. We just go for the Google now. I'm just showing it how it works. I will show you. I'm just going to the Google now. I have already floor tiles, but I'm just telling how we took from Google. Just say close then. Just close it, minimize it. It's just loading. Have a patience. You will get a lot of material from Google also. Okay, which you want. You can leave it. Okay. Are you able to see my Google? Yes, Just reply me. Are you able to see my screen, Google? Yes, guys, reply me, please. Yeah. Okay, then go to the Google. Now I want to search my bath tile. Just type as a bath tile. Okay. Bath floor tile. You just say bath floor tile and bitmap. Okay. It is compulsory. Okay. Bitmap. So that you will get a nice material. Okay. Bitmap will support to the softwares. Okay. Just say enter. Enter. It's loading. Go to the images. In that, you just go to the images. So you will get this type of images for floor. Which one is good? Just loading. Just search in this way, guys. Okay, just search, and I just want to delete this right now. Able to see this, right? Just click on that. Save image as. Just saved in the desktop. Desktop, okay. BBB, okay. Just save it as a BBB and make sure you have saved in the JPG format. Save it, and now I will switch on to my Revit. Revit. Are you able to see my screen, Revit? Just close it. Okay. Yeah. Now go to the floor, edit, duplicate it, bath floor. Okay. Edit it. Give the thickness. Click on material. Create new. Right click. Rename. Bath floor. Okay. So now don't go for the asset browser. Okay. You just click on the appearance. Okay. Click on the appearance and click on the image. There is no image in my appearance, right? Okay. Just click on the image and go to desktop where you want to save your image. Select that image, BBB, okay, and then say open. See like this. Okay. If you want to increase your glossiness, you can increase it. Okay. If you want to increase your scale and all, you just double click on the image. Just loading. Okay, just increase your brightness and all, your change your scale, sample size. Okay, done it, apply. Okay, and okay. Okay, okay. So now take your line command, or else rectangle command. Click first corner and second corner, and just say finish. And go to the 3D. Here you can able to see my downloaded image. Getting, guys, how it works? See, generally bath floors are below the normal code level easy. So how can we show in the Revit? Yeah, I will tell you in that later. Okay, you just concentrating on the command only. I will just show you. We have to provide the slope for that. Okay, just go on to the floor, select the floor, the 3D. Okay, select your floor. It's not technically possible, but you have to provide the slope here. Just go to the edit. I want to edit my bath floor. Edit it and provide your slope here. Okay, go to the slope, and how much slope you want, you just click and give it how much you want, and then say close and go to the 3D. Here I am able to see my slope for the level changes in my floor. If you want little slope, then you just drag this much only. Okay, see, I will just show you that how it works. Getting? Actually, this slope is too much. I'm just showing the process. Getting, Swapnali? You have to provide little slope for the bath wall to show your level difference. Okay, getting it? Control Z and then say close. I don't want to give the slope now. Yeah, go to the 3D. Yeah, is there any doubt? Just you have to provide a little slope for that back side. Did you get how I provided the slope? If you want to provide a slope for this floor, you just select the floor, go to the edit. I want to edit it, right? Just go to the edit boundary, go to the floor. Okay, take a slope arrow. In which direction you want to give your slope, you decide it and select it. If you want to draw like this, then more slope will apply. Okay, just give this much only. Okay, and then say close. So my slope is 18 degrees something. You can able to see the slope here also. Okay, just go to the view and 3D. See, it will be more slope, right? Just Control Z. You have to cover all the portion. Go to the floor. Take a slope. Click and cover. Close it. 3D. Little slope applied actually. See, getting, or else you can go to the elevation to see it exactly. Which elevation it is? I think south. Yeah, see this. Go to the realistic mode. See, the slope has applied to the normal floor. Is there any doubt, Swapnali?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So after applying the floor or after giving the floor, if you want to change your material, then you can select that. Go to the edit. Okay, and go to the edit and go to the material and change your material by going to the asset browser. Okay. And if you want to change your shape of the floor, okay, just select on the floor, click on the edit boundary, go to the floor. Now I don't want to give the slope here, just deleted that. And I want to create one little gap here. Okay, I don't want. Just take any shape you want and just draw like this. Just say close. It's just like a ball, guys. Okay, see. I will tell you how it works in the site development. Okay, getting? Just Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Delete your slope and just say close. So is there any doubt in the, yeah, but this is just a slope. How to adjust the floor level for a sum per piece. Yeah, you have to create the one more levels in the elevation for that slope purpose. And then you have to decide your level of your floor. Getting made the. So I'm working on the project. I will tell you that. Okay. You have to create one more level for that particular floor level and you have to fix your distance. Yeah. Is there any other doubt? Shall I move forward? Meda, you was say, yeah, yes. Okay, now I want to show my plinth level here. Yeah, I have done a mistake that I have drawn in the second floor. You just select all the floor and all. It's not possible. You just go here and select your level, guys. Wait, I just confirm it. I want to keep my base level as a plinth level. Yeah, before that I would just want to delete my windows also. Okay, so I have done a mistake. I will tell you how to resolve. You just have to delete the window and then you are able to switch your wall to the plinth. Okay, now I will delete this. Go to the elevation. I'm just assuming here. No, you people will get confused. Let's see. Okay, so go to the Yeah, I have done mistake also in the renaming. This is 0, 0. This became O now. Yeah. Getting guys what I have done? It took 0. It doesn't took the 0. Okay. It took the O later. Yeah. That's all. Go to the plinth. Take a wall. Just showing the plinth now. Okay. You select this like this. This is my plan. I'm just assuming it. Go to the floor and take a common floor here. Okay. And take your shape. Place your door and windows as I told you. Okay. Just close it. And now, okay. And this is very big actually. Just done like this. Okay. Getting it now? What I am doing? Just, okay. For example, this is my plan. Okay, go to the elevation now. See. So I want to provide my plinth here. Okay. So go to the plinth level and zoom it. Go to the floor, edit it, duplicate it, and say as a plinth. What is the thickness of my plinth I have given? 0.6. Okay, give the 0.6 and go to the material, create a new one, right click it, rename it, plinth it, go to the asset browser, appearance. What is the material of plinth here? Stone and all like this. Okay, go to the site work, or else you can go to the stone and you can use the what stone you want. Which I'm using is this stone. Close it, apply it. Okay, if you want to show your paint, then you can insert layers below and upside, and you have to give the paint for that. Close it. So all we know that our plinth extended up to 0.15 meter, that is 6 inch outside the plan. Okay, so go to the rectangle. Because my plan is in a rectangular shape, I want to give a offset for that. How much it is? 0.15, and click here end point. See, you will get a offset little, and click another point and just say close and go to the view and 3D. See, now my plinth and my floor has merged, right? See why it's like that? Yes, anybody? Can you tell me what is the reason behind this? Can we move whole floor to the plinth level? Yeah, you can move it by giving the particular label. I'll just tell you, okay? So now my plinth and floor has merged. Go to the east. See, keep in wire frame. Because the thickness of the floor is in between the plinth, right? I have to give the little offset for this. Okay. So what is the thickness of my floor? 0.15. Give whole amount, or else you can give slight offset for that. Give a slight 0.01 slight offset. Then you can able to see your floor exactly in the 3D. Or else one more method is there. You have to create one more level for the floor also. Go to the LL, okay, 0.15, add your floor level. In that floor level, you have to add your floor, okay. So from where it ends, so from that point, you have to start your wall. Getting it now, guys? If you not, then I will tell you how it. Either you can follow this method, give the particular offset, or else you can create a separate level for your floor level. Getting? Yes? Any doubt? Shall I move forward? Yes? Shall I move forward? Go to the plane. Okay. Just place the door where you want. Repeat last one. Okay. See. Go to the 3D. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Just need a control Z. Close it. Okay. See guys. When I see in the 3D, right? So my plane time floor is in the same level. So that's why I'm able to see like this. See, whenever I'm going to zoom it, so these two layers are merging, right? The reason behind this, they are both are in the same level. Okay, I want to give a little offset for my floor level. Okay, you can also see in the elevation also. See, go to the elevation, any elevation, and keep it in the wireframe. See. This is merging. This floor is merging with the plane. Okay. Just select your floor and give little offset for that floor to make it a proper visibility. 0.01 little. Just go to the 3D. Now I will get a proper floor. Getting Swapnali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or else you can create one more separate level. Okay, I just forgot that because now I am just concentrating on the command. Okay, you have to create one more level and you just draw the floor in the particular level, just like plane and just like wall. Okay, so now I just want to elaborate my site here. Just go to the door and place the door where you want. Edit it, give the dimension, go to the window and place where you want. Okay, like this. Now, so now I want to draw one more floor, that is my grass or little some food tiles and all. Go to the floor. You have to do the same thing, duplicate it. Now I am renaming it as a food tile. Food tile. Okay. Edit it. Give the little thickness 0.15 or 0.1. Okay. Just for appearance purpose. Okay. Create a new, right click it, rename it, and just say food tile. Okay, go to the asset, go to the appearance, go to the site work now. In that site work, you are able to see this type of food tiles or parking tiles and all. Okay, see this. If you don't want to use this, and then as I said, go to the appearance, download your image and use that image. Okay, just close it. And if I want to increase my scale, then double click on the image, then increase your scale. Okay, okay. I'm just assuming my plot size is like this. Okay, create it like this. Okay. Cover. View 3D. And I have drawn this in the plinth level, right? So just click on the food tile and go to the properties. In that, go to the level and change your level to the ground. Intentionally, I am doing the mistake, guys, to know the proper levels and all. Getting? Either you can go to the ground level directly and draw it. If you forget to do that, and then go to the 3D, select your particular component and keep your base constraint or base level. Getting it, guys? Okay. In this way also, I just want to show my grass portion also. Okay. You just select this, edit this, go to the ground. I want to edit my ground here. For example, this is my grass portion. Okay. Just make it open, close it, go to the 3D. See, now this portion is open now. I want to show here grass. Okay. Just go to the ground, same rule, go to the floor, edit it, duplicate it and say grass floor. Okay. Say okay, edit it, Give the thickness because there is no standard thickness for the grass and all. Create new one, rename it grass. You should follow this process, guys, so that it will help in the future editing. Go to the site work, and I'm just using it a grass dark array grass. Apply it. Okay. 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 And take a particular shape which you want and just cover it. And just say close. Go to the view. See. Getting? It is not realistic. Okay. It's just showing the grass portion only. If you want to show your realistic images, and then you have to use some other softwares. Okay. For Lumos, Lumion, V-Ray, like this softwares are there. Okay. Getting, guys? How it works? Repeat the last one. Yeah, I'm just repeating it. I just want, if I want to show my grass portion, for example, I want to show my grass portion round only, okay, circular only. Then select that. Go to the edit boundary because I want to change my shape, right? Go to the edit boundary. Go to the plan view. Take any shape you want, okay? Go to the shape and drop like this. Then just close it. See. So I just made an opening here like this. There is no material for this, right? Okay. I want to show the grass here or somewhere different material. Okay. Go to the floor. Edit it. Give the material which you want. Okay. I'm just going to grass floor only. Select that. Take a shape. I'm not getting a center here, right? Or else you can go to the pick line also. Go to the pick line and pick the lines like this. And just say close. And go to the view and 3D. See? And here also I want to show a little level differences. Okay. Just select on that level and give the base offset in downward. Means for example minus 0.01. Or else minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. See? If I want to place my plants and all, you just do like this. Getting what I am doing? Only the concept is floor only. We are just customizing it by giving the different material. This is also my plane. This is also my this is also my floor command. I'm just giving the different materials depending on my requirement. Getting, guys? How it works? Yeah. Is there any doubt? We have 6 minutes and I just want to end up this. So today you have learned how to place the window and how to edit the floor. Okay. By using the floor only, we are going to give the plain floor for flat different rooms and for the site development, footbath tiles and all. Getting? Is there any doubt? Yes, I think Amul want to share the screen, right? We have a 5 minutes. If you want to share your screen, then I will just end up my share here. Yes, Amul? Do you want to share your screen? Yes? Any other have any doubt? Yes? Shall I end up my share screen?
Hello?
Yes?
So got the point actually, ma'am. The width was wall was smaller and the windows width was high. That's why I unable to get that.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Okay. You just do the dimension wise, okay? You
Yeah,
just
right.
don't go with roughly and all. Take a
Yeah,
simple plan and do that.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, any other doubt? We have a 4 minutes. Just use this advantage. Ask your doubts. Go to the Google and download new material. Go to the Google if you want to download any material. Just type, for example, floor tile bitmap or floor tile seamless. Seamless means you will get a proper image. SEAMLESS. Seamless image. Okay, if you want to customize it, and then you can. So before going to the project, you have download all the beautiful images and make sure. If I want to give a wallpaper for this, you select it, edit it. You have to insert the layer, but I am going directly. You go to the asset browser. So we have a wallpaper also here. The wall covering. Let's see. You're able to see the wallpaper also. This will help in the interior purpose. Okay. Okay. See. If you want to give the material for this particular wall, then you have to make sure duplicate it and then apply the material. Getting? Yes, we have a 3 minutes. Any other doubt, guys? See, I used the floor only, so that's why it's like this. Okay. If you are not going to follow my process, what I have done, then you will get this type of materials. Okay. You have to duplicate for every component. Yes, I made a control here. Yes. Yes. Any other doubt? Abhijit, Meda, Pooja, Sapnali, Satyam, Gandhara. Any other doubt? No doubt, right? Okay. We have 2 minutes. See, I will just within 2 minutes I will just cover one more. That go to the realistic. If I want to place my furnitures and all, I have 1 minute only. Okay, I will tell you in that tomorrow class. Okay. Yes, guys. Any other doubt? Okay. You people practice it and make a note down of your doubts. Share your screen. Show me your plan. I have a curious to see your plan. Okay. Or else if you want a plan, then I will share it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. I will just end up my session here. Bye, guys. Yeah, I will share the plan. Okay. Tomorrow I will share the plan in the group. Or else I will send it to the Rohit sir and sir will forward it to you.